Underground crypto, breaking stereotypes, navigating to the world of crypto hype. A passive mainstream, they're on the rise, educating the masses, open our eyes. Underground crypto, shine.
Welcome to Underground Crypto. We're back at it again and taking a little bit of time off just because renovating the house takes a lot of time. So I haven't been able to get many of these videos out, but we're in a good place now. I'm going to start getting back at it. So this is a bit of a throwback. Some people were making some comments on the Osmium video that we did about some of these, really low cap gems, these high risk, high reward kind of plays. But this exchange we used to use all the time, this XEGGEX, I call it a GGX, XEGX, I don't know, you say it however you want. Does it really matter? Not really. So if you go to markets up here next to the name, markets, and then you click new listings, it'll literally show you all the things that are new listed. Why is this important? Because this is a platform where a lot of coins first get listed. We know about our Coinbases, we know about our MEXC Globals, and CoinX and all of these different exchanges that exist. But there are some smaller exchanges, and this is probably the smallest exchange I've ever found, where things get listed before they get any traction anywhere else. So it can be a good place to keep an eye out, but you have to do your research, because this is the same place that a lot of rug pulls or even coins that just don't make it, new startups, new projects, you want to think of these as like somebody making a new company and they're trying to do something. Are they going to make it? Are they not going to make it? Same as the stock world. How many of those new startup companies make it all the way to the stock market? A lot of them fail long before they ever get to the stock market. Anyways, with that being said, we're going to be looking at Hoot Chain. It says it has about 167,000 in market cap. Obviously, with such a low market cap, that's going to change. A lot of people won't even look at something under $1 million market cap. So keep that in mind. And I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I say or do should be taken as financial advice. Now, let's go ahead and hop over to their website, starting at the beginning. And it says, unlocking your DeFi journey with Hoot Chain. Experience the future of DeFi along with hybrid POW/POS model. So they're combining proof of work, proof of stake model is what they're claiming. Fostering decentralized governance through DAO. Empowering innovation where privacy is paramount and security is uncompromised. These are the type of claims I would expect to hear, but you don't want to take them at face value. Remember that, and it's a tiny project. Hoot Chain, is, I guess, another blockchain. Where do they fit in? Are they trying to solve something specific? As we always say, narrative. Is there a niche that they're trying to solve where they fit into the ecosystems of the, world of blockchain and all the different chains? Think of your Avalanche, think of your Solana. They all have a purpose and they fit for a reason. This is a small competitor. Where are they going to fit? This is how you have to think, in my opinion. This is how I think when I'm thinking about where to put my money and what to make investments on. So it says unique advantages. Fast transactions, low fees. Hybrid, model combining the proof of work and the proof of stake. It says it's an advanced model. Hopefully they're going to give us more information about that, because I haven't really heard anybody, most are one or the other. I haven't heard a lot of people doing a combined model. Privacy-centric approach and decentralized governance. So on the low fees, it says experience lightning fast transactions and reduce fees compared to traditional currencies, optimizing payment efficiency and maximizing returns. All of that sounds good. Can they deliver? Unmatched performance and reliability, powered by computing nodes for lightning fast transactions, fortified defense against double spend attacks, if you know what that is. And then your privacy is our priority with robust encryption and decentralized infrastructure. Rest assured that your personal information is safeguarded. And decentralized governance. Explore our pioneering decentralized autonomous organization driving transparent community-led governance for robust ecosystem. What a word salad that was. All right, Hoot is the ticker, HOOT. There's their symbol. And let's see if we can get into some, real meat of what the heck this is. Because so far, very vague and not giving me a lot of information that I would like. So, future of innovation. Step into the limitless future of cryptocurrencies where innovation knows no bounds. Our platform leads the way, revolutionizing digital asset engagement with pioneering advancement in groundbreaking technology, launch of staking platform, powerful mining solutions, and a hybrid CEX exchange. That's a centralized exchange. DEX, decentralized exchange. You're going to want to know those kind of terms if you're poking around out here in the crypto world, in the blockchain world. DeFi world is what I should call it, really. Hoot chain mission. So let's find out a little more about them. We are committed to reshaping the DeFi sector overall. I thought I read it wrong. Let's start over. We are committed to reshaping the DeFi sector and overall digital asset domain by delivering an ecosystem that is secure, transparent, accessible to all. Our mission is to empower individuals to take charge of their financial destinies, leveraging and transformative capabilities of blockchain technology to democratize access to the digital economy and promote financial inclusion worldwide. Another word salad. So I don't know that really told us anything, but it's the same thing everybody says. So that doesn't really provide any value to me as far as where they're going to fit. So leading the way, the future of blockchain. Join us at Hoot Chain as we lead the evolution of DeFi with our ecosystem, guided by commitment of transparency and exclusivity through DAO. Together, let's make financial ecosystems where every individual can thrive. So we made it to the bottom of our initial website here. Hoot Chain Tokenomics. So we're looking at their tokenomics here. It says maximum supply 9.95 million Hoot. Quarterly reward deduction is 6.25%. Initial block reward is 5 Hoot. Block frequency every 60 seconds. Master node collateral 3,000 Hoot. So there's some information on that. Block rewards will be divided as followed. Miners, variable, so not actually giving us a real percentage. Development fee is 5%, and a super block reward is 2.5%. And then it gets into some more techie stuff you might want to know if you're a miner. Kind of hesitate on it for a minute. If you want to pause the screen and read that, feel free. We're not doing any mining here on the channel, so we're not going to go over that. All right, let's hop over to their Twitter and do our usual smell test. If you're familiar with my videos, that's what we do on Twitter, is we're looking to see how much engagement, how many followers, when was, this Twitter founded, when was it made, all of those good things. All right, so this is the verified Hoot, or at least a verified account, with the check mark. Unlock your DeFi journey with Hoot. And they have about 861 followers. Let's look at their post. The pinned post got 2.1 thousand impressions. Not bad with the amount of followers they have. It says April 2024, so they haven't been around all that long. Let's see what their pinned post is. So after months of hard work and anticipation, we're thrilled to announce Node Forest is finally launching tomorrow. This was on August 11th that was put out. Get ready to explore a new world of shared nodes, endless possibilities, and exciting opportunities. All right, so what we want to see here is this was posted 6 hours ago, a trading competition. 15 hours ago, they posted this, Hoot Chain Now hash rate. Then 15 hours ago, they posted. So what I'm looking for is the frequency at which they are posting. And then 15 hours ago, they posted, this is from August 20th, August 21st. So going right along here, they look like they're posting at least every day, which is what we want to see. And they only have 65 posts, though. So they haven't got a lot of posts, and they haven't got a ton of traction. So this is early stuff. And when you're in on something this early, you are rather going to, it's going one of two ways. You're rather going to lose most of your investment, or you're going to significantly increase most of your investment, in my opinion. That's not financial advice, that's my opinion. And there's not a lot of in between. So don't play with more money than you're willing to lose. In a project like this, what I would most likely do if I was going to invest is I'd put like $100 in it. And then maybe later on, and I keep an eye on it, put $100 in, I keep an eye on it. If I see it start getting listed on Mexi Global, I see it start getting listed in other places that are important, well, I'll come back and check out their Twitter again, and I'll see if they have any new, advancements. How's the blockchain going? How many working products do they actually have out that they've been promising? All those kind of different things. And then I might put a little more money as they begin to build. I really would keep an eye on the market cap, and this goes for any project. It has $167,000 in market cap. That's not a lot. That is not a lot compared to a lot of projects. So if in 3 months I come back and they have $1 million in market cap, well, that tells me that they're doing something right. People are investing. They're at least marketing well. And these are all things that we have to think about. So there's not a lot of meat here in their Twitter because, they don't have a lot of followers and they're not been on Twitter for very long, and this is a new project. So there's not a lot to talk about. So I'm going to skip right to my, what I call a gut rating, 1 through 10, kind of gut feeling about a project like this. I'm going to have to give it like a 4. That's just my honesty, but take that with a grain of salt and keep in mind it's a new project. So it doesn't have a lot to show for itself to give me a bunch of confidence to say that I think this project's going to do well. I don't have that confidence. If I was going to speculate on this, I'd put a tiny amount of money, whatever's a tiny amount of money to you. To me, $100 is no big deal. And I'd see where that went. And if I saw it grow in traction, I saw it getting a lot more exposure, the marketing was good, maybe I'd put some more. So follow me at Underground Crypto, and that's at _ground crypto, because Underground Crypto was taken and Crypto Ron is the profile, so you're in the right place. And I'll repost anything. You go see we went ahead and followed them. I'll repost anything promising that they put out. So just take a second to explain, this is how a lot of projects that are high risk, high reward are going to go. They don't have a lot going for them. You're really taking them at what they're saying. And if you are investing, you're investing not more money than you can afford to lose, because this could be a rug pull. But what is the reward for catching an early project? 100x, potentially even 1,000x. They're hard to hit. You're not going to hit them when they hit Coinbase and you invest in it. It's not going to get you 1,000x 99.9% of the time. And those are just numbers that I made up, but that's what it feels like for sure. How many people have, 100x or 1,000x a project on Coinbase that they bought on Coinbase? By the time it makes it there, they have a ton of exposure. There's a reason why Coinbase is accepting them on their platform, is basically what I'm trying to say. So I hope that gives some insight. I hope that gets your, the gears running when you're thinking about these projects and what to invest in. I personally would say 1% or less of your entire portfolio should be in high risk plays like this. Maybe 2% if you're a very risky person. But if you look over your portfolio and you see 10%, 15% of your money is in a lot of these high risk plays, I can't say that it won't work out for you, but I can say there's a high likelihood that you could lose a majority of that 15%. So keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching. Slightly rusty. I can feel it a little bit. I haven't made a video in like 2 weeks. It's unlike me. So we're going to be getting back to doing these all the time. Hang in there. Crypto Ron out.